your dedication and perspective about the instruments and whatever you do in terms of kind of looks so hard, but you make it, you bring it out in a very unique way. Kama ni hizo beats unaziproduce zinatokea tukiwa sawa, vocals, your dedication is top notch. I thank God for that and just continue to keep it up. Amen.
Amen.
I of course cannot forget you and Mr. Caretaker here. As in, nyinyi watu mnafanyanga kitu kwa vibrant. Of course, mtu anaweza ona ikiwa very little but inasaidia the bonding, because we all here, mimi na huyu, yani lazima tusikizane, because when you're playing live, I have to listen to you, I give you the right beat. So the jokes you two make, apart from being funny, zinasaidia in terms of bonding. Utabond as in, kanini akianza kuimba, utajua kanini anataka ngoma ikianza hivi. It just brings inafanya atmosphere kwa more welcoming. Amen?
Amen.
Yeah. So as you grow upendwe, let me specify. Upendwe, as in, let God love you. Upendwe na watu, vitu, na upendwe na pesa. Siseme amen? Yeah, upendwe na hizo stuff zote. And of course, on behalf of the office, from the chair and everyone, we want to appreciate your efforts and everything that you've been able to achieve up to this day. Najua kuna stuff Mungu umeachieve, but hujaambia wasee, na wewe na Mungu ndio unazijua. I want to, invite all of you leo. Since it's his day, celebrate with him. Umsiara kama ni M-Pesa leo. Show M-Pesa and everything. Just be nice. Hata siku yake I feel like, yeah, it's my day and it's your day, by the way. Enjoy, feel love. Yeah, and my friends, I want to wish you all the best, by the way.